Today I'm going to show you how to adjust video brightness in CapCut PC quickly and easily. This is a simple but powerful edit that can instantly improve the look of your footage, whether your clip is too dark, too flat, or just needs a little extra polish. Brightness correction can make your videos look cleaner, more professional, and easier to watch, especially if you're posting content for YouTube, TikTok, or any social platform. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project that contains the video you want to edit. Once your project is open, make sure the clip you want to adjust is placed on the timeline. This is important because CapCut only applies edits to the selected video clip, so you want to be sure you're working on the correct one. Now click on the video in the timeline so it becomes highlighted. Selecting the clip tells CapCut that this is the piece of footage you want to modify. If you have multiple clips on the timeline, take a moment to choose the exact one that needs brightness adjustment so you don't accidentally edit the wrong section. After the clip is selected, look over to the right panel in CapCut. This is where you'll find the editing controls for your video. On that right side panel, click the Adjust option. The Adjust section is where CapCut keeps color and image correction tools, and this is the area you'll use to improve the brightness of your footage. Once the Adjust panel opens, you'll see several color-related settings. From here, click the HSL tab. The HSL section gives you more detailed control over your image adjustments, and depending on the version of CapCut you're using, this is where you'll access the slider you need for brightness-related changes. Now locate the brightness slider and start adjusting it. If your video looks too dark, move the slider up gradually until the footage looks clearer and better balanced. If the video is too bright or overexposed, move the slider down until it looks more natural. The best approach is to make small adjustments and watch the preview as you go, so you can keep the video looking realistic instead of over-editing it. As you change the brightness, pay attention to skin tones, shadows, and highlights. You want the video to be bright enough to see clearly, but not so bright that details get washed out. A good brightness adjustment can make a huge difference, especially if your original clip was filmed in low light or inconsistent lighting conditions. If needed, you can also go back and fine-tune the adjustment until the clip looks just right. CapCut makes it easy to experiment, so don't be afraid to test different settings until you find the best balance for your footage. Once you're happy with the look, you're done. And that's how to adjust video brightness in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. Select the clip in the timeline, click Adjust from the right panel, open the HSL tab, and use the brightness slider to get the look you want. It's a fast way to improve your video quality and make your content stand out. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.